I wanted to let you know how easy it is to actually just copy an image over into Photoshop. There's no need to download this image. You can simply copy the image and bring it into Photoshop. This is under Student Assignments 3.1 to 3.5. I am releasing this early for those that are done with their tutorials, if they need to get this done earlier than later. So we're going to go to Unenhanced Greeting Card JPEG. JPEG is a picture file. Click on that. And here's the image we want to copy. So I will simply right-click with my mouse and go down to Copy Image. I'll left-click on that copy image, and then I will bring it over to Photoshop. Since you can't see my other screen, I'll bring my other screen to you. Here is Create New. And when I do that, a menu appears, New Document. I usually will use just the default Photoshop size. That seems to be a good way to go. That gives me a 7 inches wide, 5 inches tall. You can certainly change it to the other orientation, which is 5x7. That's more like what a greeting card would be. So maybe I'll use that. So I'll hit Create here, and opens the work area. There's my 7x5 greeting card. I will now go to Edit and Paste. And there's my greeting card. If I want my greeting card to be bigger, I can just simply hit Control and T, and that will transform my image to make it larger. If I want it to be larger and fill up most of this space, I can do that. And I'm using only the corners. I only click on the corners to keep the perspective of the image in line. I don't want it to be too wide or too narrow. So there it is. Once I've got what I like, I can either hit the check mark at the top, or I can just hit enter on my keyboard, and that will take me out of that command. So that's how easy it is to simply copy this image into the Photoshop from Schoology.